Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the center rear burner base on your gas downdraft cooktop, lift off the center grate and the burner cap. You can now lift the old burner base straight up to remove. Install the new burner base by aligning it so the spark igniter is positioned in the notch on the side of the base. Replace the burner cap as well as the grate, and the cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.